The way we designed this medallion, we used the exact same processes and tools that we do, and that's because the tools we use are so flexible. So the ones we use are quite widely used in industry and computational design. That's Rhino and Grasshopper. Rhino being a CAD package that does the 3D, and Grasshopper being a scripting environment where you can write custom programs essentially to generate form. The thing that we thought we would want to maintain from the original medallion was the text, and that's really all. We felt that the image of the boy and the man wasn't entirely appropriate now, but we thought that if we could maintain the text and then bring in the Architects Registration Board branding and their design thinking, and so retain the text and bring these new elements in. And then what we did, so once we sort of got rid of everything else of the medallion, we basically turned the text into an artifact, into an object, and so it became a filigree almost, abstracted. So it was the text, but it became the object itself. So there was almost nothing else except the text, and that was the medallion, sort of pure and simple.
So the Palloys process, they have a 3D printer that prints two materials. There's a wax and then a dissolvable plastic. So there's a wax 3D print. It then gets cast into a mold of like a fine powder or sand. Then they pour the brass in. Then once that gets removed, these elements get cleaned off, and then it gets a finish applied to it. They then clean it up, so they remove large elements like so, and then they begin to polish. But then in the case of the medallion, because we've had to remove some really fine elements, such as the spaces between certain letters, those then have to be laser etched.
In 2018, I would like to advise that the jury found that the winner of the 2018 Architects Medallion Award is Eric Heaney. His approach to his chosen profession is broad-ranging and characterised by energy, innovation and talent. We envisage an influential role for Eric in the future as he continues to interrogate the role of architecture in society, and we consider it essential that the next generation of architects are catalysts in this broader social context. I congratulate you, Eric.
It's a real honour to be the recipient of this award. There's a very long list of really amazing and great architects and thinkers in the past who have won this, so yeah, I'm totally stoked.